Hi everybody, I'm Shelly Bayless with Integrity Canine Trainers, and this 6.5-year-old Weimaraner is Loki. She did training with me years ago, but she is certifying as a therapy dog now. She's very gentle, great with older people, great with high school kids, younger kids. She should be good to go in about a week. So check back with us and watch the Facebook page as she becomes a really good therapy dog for the Baker family. Have a very blessed day, everybody.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face.